Like if you talk to people about homosexuality, they'll tell you, I was born this way. And the worst thing you can do is say, no, you weren't. God didn't create you that way. The truth is, God didn't create them that way. The fall did. They were born that way. Just like every one of us was born pulled towards some kind of sin that nobody taught us. And so when you tell someone you were not born that way, you instantly lose credibility, and they're not going to listen to anything else you say, because as long as they can remember, they never chose this. In fact, some of them hated it, wanted to be free from it, but they felt like, well, if I was born this way, this is the way God created me, and this is always who I'm going to be. And then someone comes along and says, no, you were not. God didn't create you that way. God, da-da-da. And it's like, no, of course God didn't create them that way. The fall made them that way. They were born into Adam. That's why they have to be born again. What we don't do, though, is say, well, if you were born a certain way, then that means that we will sentence you to living a certain way for the rest of your life. We're not going to partner with the judgment of the enemy that says just because you were born a certain way, you're going to live a certain way for the rest of your life. That's what the enemy wants them to believe. The church has to have a different response.